Welcome back to BD Properties and Construction. If you want to build a house, this video is for you. A lot of people is already losing millions to property collapse, and I don't want you to be part of them. That is why I'm doing these videos for you. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the 5 things that separate the good house from the poor one. So it is very important to watch this video till the end, because the last one is going to surprise you. And don't also forget to subscribe to this channel for more real estate investment opportunity and the easiest ways to build your dream home. So without wasting your time, let's dive in. The number one today is strong foundation. A beautiful house means nothing if the foundation is weak. You need to know this. The foundation is very important in any structures on earth. And don't forget, foundation is the one that will receive the dead load, wind load, life load, and it is very important to take it very serious. Your foundation will determine how your house is going to last. For you to have a strong foundation, you must know the type of the soil that you have, so that you can know the type of foundation that you are going to erect on that particular structure. Because if you don't get this right, honestly, you are going to regret it later. That is why the soil test is very important, because all the land are not the same. There's weak land, sandy land, swampy land, waterlogged land, and the dry land. How do you know the type of foundation that you are going to erect? It depends on the soil test that you carry out. It is very important. If you cannot afford the soil test, you can go out to get the histories of the neighborhood properties around that particular place, so that you can know the right things to do for your own foundations. If you are not following this very proper, honestly, you will never have a good foundation. And when your foundation is faulty, honestly, there will be problem on that particular house. When the house resettles, you start seeing the cracking, deteriorations, corrosions, and this can lead to the collapse of the structure. You need to extra be careful. Work on the foundation. It is very important for you. Number 2 is quality building material. You may have a good land with a good foundation. Without a good material, honestly, you will never get good results. It is very important to go for the quality material, not substandard material. A lot of people always save money when it comes to the building material, and this is very important. We see people buy fake on the substandard cement, tie rod, the roofing sheet and all that. All these things may affect your structures along the line, so you need to know this. And if by the time you buy the substandard material, you will have your beautiful house as you want, but as time goes on, you will start to see either cracking, corrosions, or deterioration. All these things will affect your structure. Before you know, in 1 or 2 or 3 years, you will see that house starting disvalue. People will thought that you already built that house for 20 years ago. A house will just be like 2 years. When it comes to building material, don't ever compromise it, because this is what will make your building last more than the others. Go for the best one, not cheapest one or not expensive one at some time, because you can see some cheapest one that will be okay than the one that is expensive. But go for the quality material. Number 3 is skilled professional. It is very important to invite someone that has experience about the building constructions. Some people, because they don't want to spend money, they always go for inexperienced person to come and handle their project. And the person may get it right at that moment, but after 2 or 3 years we start to see results. That is why it is good for you to invite a professional person that know what they are doing, starting from an architect down to the structural engineers, and also the builders, and some professional artisans to come and handle this project. Is going to help you a lot, because they have the experience and they can work according to the rules and regulations. Don't hire somebody because you see the person build somewhere else and you invite them to come and build your own house without knowing that the soil is not the same thing. So topographic is matter when you are building your house, because topographic of where they are talking about, it may be different from where your own land is. So If they adopt the same system in your home, it may not work the way you expect. That is why it is good for you to search for the people who are professional in the building construction, so that they can tell you the best things on how to go about it to have your own quality house. You need to go for people who have the experience. Don't forget, you don't build that house because of today, but you are building it because of tomorrow. So it is very important for you to hire people that can tell you what to do, because in case of any mistake they can easily identify it without any problem. Even building material, they will know the one that is good and the one that is not. For you to hire professional person is going to save you time and also save you money, because you will not be there all the times, because they are there for you to ensure that everything is work according to the rules. So can you see the good benefit of it? So some people don't want to hire the professional person because they believe that they are going to spend money. But by the way, these people will also, they will also save money for you, because there are many things that you will likely to buy and they will tell you not to buy it based on their experience, and this can save you a lot of money. Number 4, good plumbing and electrical installation. This is very important. If you want to have a quality house, you must work on these things. A lot of people is overlooking this plumbing job and electrical installation. If you want to have a quality home, you need to focus on this. It is very important, most especially the plumbing systems. If any pipe leak, this may affecting the foundations of your house. Do you know what? You may not even know, because if there's leakage, all the water will be going to the foundation, and this will result to the cracking on the wall or on the corrosions, and before you know, that house can lead to the collapse. Ensure that you have a good plumbing systems, because if there's any leakage, honestly the water can cause problem in your house. And don't forget, the biggest enemies of building is water. If there's excess water, honestly that house must have a problem. So you need to take this very serious. And of course, we know about the lights. Any slight mistake can cause a problem in the whole house. So all these two things are very important, but a lot of people always compromise the materials of plumbing systems and the electrical installations. If you want your house to be standard, you need to work on these two things. It will be very important for you, honestly. And this take me to the last one. The last one today is proper supervision. You know, you may have a good material, good foundations, good professionals, but without a good supervision, honestly you will never get it right. It is very important to consider this. Someone to supervise this project is very important. A lot of people has all these good materials that I've mentioned, but there's nobody to manage the all these materials on site, and at the end of the day they end up with a collapse on deteriorations or crackings on the wall of that project. So you must have someone that will supervise the job right from the, in fact from the site clearer to the finishing. It is very important, because if somebody is not there to tell them what to do, all these artisans, even professional at times, honestly they can make mistake, and any slight mistake can cause a problem to your structures. You know, you need to know this. It is very important. When it comes to supervisor, don't compromise with it. Honestly, find somebody that know almost everything, that can tell the workers to do the right thing at the right time, because some workers are there to compromise the systems, while some we want to give their best. So if someone must be there to motivate them and to tell them to do it in the right way. This is very important. Without doing all these things, you will never have a quality home. So I hope you learn something in this video. If it is, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tips about this sure way to build your dream home in anywhere in the world. So please, in case you are in Nigeria and you want to buy land, you want to design your structures, you want to build your house, you don't know how to go about it, just contact me. I'm going to give you the service with affordable price. So you will see my number on the descriptions of this video. Contact me for more information that you may like to know. I'm there to answer you. So thank you very much for watching and bye for now.